Genocide is a term used to describe the intentional and systematic destruction, in whole or in part, of a particular national, ethnic, racial, or religious group. It involves acts committed with the purpose of annihilating or severely harming the targeted group. Genocide can take various forms, including mass killings, forced displacement, torture, sexual violence, and other acts that inflict physical, mental, or social harm on the targeted group. It is often characterized by its scale, organization, and deliberate nature, distinguishing it from other forms of violence or conflict. The term, genocide, was coined by Raphael Lemkin in 1944 and was later defined in the 1948 United Nations Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. According to this convention, genocide includes acts such as killing members of the group, causing serious bodily or mental harm, deliberately inflicting conditions of life to bring about the group's destruction, imposing measures to prevent births within the group, or forcibly transferring children from the group to another. Genocide is considered a severe violation of human rights and is universally condemned. It is seen as one of the most heinous crimes against humanity. Efforts have been made by the international community to prevent and punish genocide, including the establishment of international tribunals and courts to prosecute those responsible for such crimes. Notable examples of genocide include the Holocaust during World War II, the Rwandan genocide in 1994, and the Bosnian genocide during the Bosnian War in the 1990s. These tragic events serve as reminders of the profound consequences of unchecked hatred, discrimination, and violence targeting specific groups.